One more day, one more project. These are the 3 things I will never put in a luxury home kahit gaano pa siya ka-trendy ngayon. Number 1, black faucets, black shower, black sink. They may look modern on Pinterest, but in real homes, they scratch easily. Water stains are super visible and mabilis din siyang kumupas. What we use instead are stainless, brushed nickel, or champagne gold since they are elegant, timeless, and easier to maintain. Number 2, semi-blackout curtains and single-layer drapes. Semi-blackout feels thin and cheap. Hindi niya kayang i-block yung lighting natin from the outside, tapos parang kulang din yung kanyang dating. While single curtains look flat and unfinished. In luxury homes, what we always use are double layers, sheer plus blackout for full lighting control, softness, and atmosphere. Number 3, sticker vinyls, fox brick decals, or anything sticker. Luxury should never look fake. Stickers peel, bubble, and look temporary. Mabilis siyang tumuklap, lalo na sa init at moisture. Instead, we use for high-end finishes, lime wash, paints, latted wood, real stone, or premium laminates. For practical but premium alternatives, what you can use naman are PVC panels, PU, or other things, like for example, high-grade wallpaper. Luxury is in the details. I'm Architect Naboa, helping you create spaces of quiet luxury that lasts. Message me if you're ready to design yours.